The Crafts Museum in New Delhi is a treasure trove of India's rich cultural heritage. It showcases a diverse collection of traditional handicrafts and folk art from all over the country. Ayyanar Shrine, Terracotta, Tamil Nadu. Ayyanar, a combination of Shiva and Vishnu, seated with his two wives on the central raised platform. He is surrounded by his attendants and votive offerings. The museum features a wide variety of exhibits including textiles, pottery, metalwork, and jewelry. Here, you can witness live demonstrations of craft making techniques and attend workshops to learn more about them. Entry is free for Indians. It is open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. It is closed on Mondays. It is located in Pragati Maidan. Wooden elephants from Karnataka. Let's watch paintings of the National Crafts Museum. Rajasthani singers giving a performance. Mithila painting from Bihar. Worli paintings from Maharashtra. Pattachitra painting from Odisha. Mithila painting from Bihar. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.